Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing the window regulator and door handle on the front door of the BMW. So let's jump into it. God's big old boot. So the window rolls up very slow. Sometimes it gets stuck. It kind of wants to stop. So that's why we're replacing the regulator, and then obviously the door handle is missing, so we're going to be replacing that at the same time. Well, I just broke my tool. I'm not even sure why the car doesn't get like to wash that often. Problem solved.
There, I got your thing.
I don't know how this one goes. Okay, so you're going to want to roll your window down to where you can reach the bolts in the glass. I feel like it's easiest to probably just pull the door panel off and then put your controller back on, but it's honestly up to you. This way you can see where the bolts are and where you can reach them. So while we have this door part, we're going to go ahead and do the door handle as well. The little last screw that we need is right in this hole. So if you guys are looking for it, you don't need to take this apart. It's actually right here. So we just pulled the old door handle out. Now we're putting in this new one. So yeah, I'm going to get to that. You guys can't really see too well in there, I don't think. But it connects right down in there. So. Okay guys, so if you don't remember, the X5's grill is a little bit loose, so we're going to be replacing it with an all black grill. So hopefully it's pretty simple. Just pull one out, put the new one in, hopefully. But yeah, let's see. comes out looking all fancy, goes back. Placing the orange side marker lights with clear ones. Mine's a pre-LCI, so mine are orange, but I really like the look of the clear, so we'll be swapping those. Don't know that these ones come with a light or not. Actually, I think they do.